What you think was gonna happen if we all hooked up? If you down with loose love, baby, raise your cup. What? So come on, everybody, let's all get down. It's that loose love spreading around. That's what we be about. Now there's some flu-like symptoms that be spreading around. I went through H-Mob and Arcade, tune the baby down. Collabing with a quickness on this Zeus love sickness. Got this party smoking like Bud, you wanna hit this? Link will tell you how we gets twisted. Like Bob Marley's Uprising, embrace love two-fisted. No need for drama, no more days of rain. No need to further demonstrate our method of pain. See, it's all about that ooze loving. Forget the pushing and shoving, baby. We all about this party that's jumping. We banging this together, so just raise your cup and give daps to all haters who be trying your luck. Ain't no joke, you know we got this party cracking. It's Zeus Deuce in Brownsville, got this Uso love banging. Forget about your enemies, haters and foes. When you hear this love knock, you better open your doors. What you think was gonna happen if we all hooked up? If you down with Uso love, baby, raise your cup. What?
Usos ain't got nothing but that ooze love, baby.
So come on, everybody, let's all get down. It's that Uso love spreading around. That's what we be about.
Baby, you know it's all about that Uso love.
Can I get my stroll on? Grab the loot, shoot 'em out they boots. I give a hoot where y'all come from. It's one love, and I got many more soldiers where I come from. Who's spreading trails of breadcrumbs for you to follow me? Gotta be on your P's and Q's, pleading guilty to abuse. When it's in your like this, it ain't gon' miss. More kisses for the kids and the grumblers when I roll up.
Like Bleezy, nothing but hugs when I greet thee. It's baby down and I don't mind how y'all see me, so take it or leave it. Far from conceited, some breed it and some feed it while repeat it. I understand that there's always a reason, but I don't think we were blessed with time to press rewind the dress to all kinds of rest when it's your time. So make the best and the rest should fall in line.
What you think was gonna happen if we all hooked up? If you down with loose love, baby, raise your cup. What?
Usos ain't got nothing but that ooze love, baby.
So come on, everybody, let's all get down. It's that Uso love spreading around. That's what we be about.
Baby, you know it's all about that Uso love, baby. Uso love it, Uso love it. I need that Uso love it, Uso love it. It's driving me crazy.
Big body rapping, see the wash before we raid the spot. Mix me a drink with some ice cause it's too hot. Load up the squad, gotta hit this function at the port. We finna do this till dark. There go my brother Ringo on the queue holding it down. Show they Uso love and watch it come around. Just that feeling, many families and so much folks forever clowning on each other, taking too many toasts. Or they'll rap stack fat with the sack twisted on absolute, avoiding speed traps. Niggas stressing in the court, brother, just in case, throw it in low. Don't even trip, Uso make a play. Feeling